Flipgrid makes it beyond simple to create new grids for each of the subjects that you teach, each of the classes that you teach, or possibly to even set up a grid for a community of learners inside your educator dashboard. Once you've logged in to Flipgrid with your educator account, simply make sure that you are on the My Grids tab and click Add New Grid. This will bring you to the next steps in setting up your grid. Notice that you do need to give your grid a specific name. So if you're primarily going to be using this grid for language arts with 8D, you could actually call it Language Arts 8D. Notice underneath the grid type, you can create a specific flip code. Now, a flip code is automatically generated for you. This is the code that your students are going to use to join the grid. So you can either use the flip code that has been given to you, or you can customize a flip code to make it easier for your students to find your grid. Notice that your code is always in lowercase letters. Now, in our next videos, we're going to talk about selecting a grid type. You'll notice that there are 3 different grid types you can choose from: school email, student ID, and public and PLC. In 3 separate videos, we'll talk about the pros and cons to using each of these different grid types.